Hi guys, it's time for another how to scrape video. And seeing that you've clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how to scrape Amazon, so that's what we're going to discuss today. But first things first, for the scraping today, I'm going to be using this Chrome extension called Ultimate Web Scraper. So if you haven't already, you can download it in the Chrome Web Store. So just head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for Ultimate Web Scraper and add it to Chrome. So now that that is out of the way, we can actually get started. So we can head over to Amazon. So the first thing you're gonna do is search the item that you want to scrape. So I'm gonna be scraping phone cases, so that's what I'm gonna search for. And then I'm gonna show you two different ways to scrape products. The first one is to scrape a list of products, and then the second one is to scrape individual product pages like these. So what I'm gonna do is open the extension, and then as you can see, there's list extraction and page details extraction. So first we're gonna start with list extraction. You're gonna hover over the items, click, and as you can see, it already collected the first couple of items from the list, but this list spans over multiple pages. So we're gonna have to, like you can see, it has pagination. So we're gonna have to select the next button. So we click pagination, next, and then we can start the extraction. So the tool will start collecting the entire list from all the pages that it has. Okay, let's stop the extraction. And then we can view the data. And as you can see, it grabbed all the images, prices, basically all the data that was available in this list. If you want, you can export the data to the file type that you need, like CSV, Excel, Google Sheets, JSON, whatever you need. So next up is page details. So we're gonna look at product pages. For this, you can choose either upload CSV or use existing data source. And the existing data source is the list with links of these items that we've just collected from the list extraction. So click on that. And then it will automatically navigate to a product page. Here you can select individual elements like price, title separately, but because a lot of these pages will often vary with the information that they show you, I'm going to select the entire field instead, so it will vary with the page differences. I'm also going to select faster extraction, which means it will be using multiple tabs to extract the data simultaneously, and then start the extraction. I've sped this up a little bit, but then it's done, and you can view the data again, which you can see it has selected all the images. And on product pages, often there's way more information than on the list, so it's really nice to have this. And then you can export it again. So that was that. There you have a really quick and easy way to scrape Amazon, and I hope you collected all the data that you needed, and I'll see you in the next video.